And we're back. So I ordered this Blue Sea same 189 150 amp circuit breaker from Amazon last week, and it arrived just the other day. At first blush, you can see right here that the reset switch is all kind of smashed and mangled. No big deal, it's plastic, you know. I mean, look how it sticks out. It's kind of to be expected. But it doesn't bode well, considering that it came in a box and so forth, and nothing else that's protruding out of this package is smashed or damaged. But a little concerning. So obviously I opened it up, and what do I find? This product was used by someone else, repackaged, sent back to Amazon. Instead of Amazon touting that they do 5 steps, 8 steps, whatever it is, and placing in their refurb or return stock, which they have a separate path for. You can go online and purchase stuff that's been used or refurbished. Basically, it can't be sold as new, because if somebody's used it or opened it up, it cannot be sold as new because somebody's had it in their hand, okay? So this shows that Amazon obviously is not checking or following all their steps or processes to ensure that whatever is returned to them is in like new condition, okay? This product was used by someone else. So some dirty fucker had this in their project, used it for how long they did. It broke. However it broke, they decided to buy this same product, take this broken one, put it back in there, and return it. So they're in the win. They have nothing out of pocket, okay? Because they purchased something brand new like this, they took a used one, put it back in there, and returned it back to Amazon. Now you would say Amazon's not at fault, right? Obviously they're not at fault for the dirty fucker, okay, that did that. But they tout that they have 5 steps, 10 steps, whatever it is, to verify that anything that's returned to them, that it's not used, abused, or whatever, and then in the like new state, and then they can put it in the refurb section and sell at a discount, whatever. Okay, so how do we know this product is used? Well, look at this. Look at that. All the terminals, if you look closely, were torqued and used previously. You can tell it's also broken because when you press on this red switch, it's just snap open. This thing is all squishy. The flag doesn't break open, okay? Look at this, nothing. Anybody who's ever had one, you hear that click? See how I'm moving a little bit faster now? So during an overcurrent situation, this obviously would not work. You can see right here on the flag. Let's see if we can zoom in here. There's like a notch. Piece of plastic that was damaged. Here's a closer look. It's all scuffed up. The opposite side. Clearly it's been used, installed in somebody else's project vehicle, whatever, boat, solar generator, what have you. Absolutely not Blue Sea's problem. So you can see a better view right there that there were screws for mounting whatever that were installed previously. So I'm not impressed that Amazon didn't check to verify that whoever bought it previously, that the item was indeed like new condition. So I have to wait another week and a half for another product coming from them, and hopefully that arrives brand new, hasn't been touched by somebody else, hasn't used it, hasn't abused it. Look at this. Come on. You can do better, Amazon. You absolutely can do better.